Hey guys, welcome back to Embers and Ash. My name's Ashley, if you didn't know, and today I'm talking to you guys about cleaning products. So I have slowly been making the transition away from harsh chemicals to natural cleaning products in my house, and I thought I would share with you what I've learned. This has been a bit of a struggle for me because at first I found that a lot of the natural alternatives didn't work as well as harsh chemicals, but through trial and error I found some really good combinations that do a wonderful job, if not a better job. I've also noticed too that I'm at the point where if someone does use like fragranced harsh chemical cleaner, I really do not like the smell of it. Like I used to love the smell of a clean home, as in strong scented chemically home, but I don't find that means clean anymore. Also, where I live, we're on well water, and there's something about, actually I don't really know how it works at all, but there's some sort of bacteria in our sewage system where we shouldn't be using bleach products anyways because it can damage the bacteria. I don't know. I just know that I'm supposed to be using natural products anyways. So I'm going to share with you a few of my favorite ways to clean my home naturally. And a lot of these products you can find in your cupboard. So to start off, very basic, just all-purpose cleaner. What do I use for an all-purpose cleaner? This isn't any revolutionary recipe, it's a pretty standard one, but I thought I would just throw it in there because it's all-purpose. And for this, I just take a couple cups of water, a half cup of vinegar, some baking soda, and some lemon juice, and I mix it all into my little spray bottle. Make sure that you mix the vinegar and the baking soda separately before putting it in your container because it will explode like a volcano, as you know. The lemon is a natural bleach, and it also just adds a very nice fragrance to the mixture. If you've ever noticed, vinegar doesn't smell the best, so it's nice having lemon in there as a contrast. And then the vinegar and your baking soda are really the heavy hitters that are doing the cleaning. It disinfects and deodorizes and just cleans up whatever you're cleaning. Okay, moving on. The next one is cleaning your sink or shining the steel in your sink. I had a really hard time with this one for a long time because I would just use an all-purpose cleaner to clean my sink, but it would never get it shiny. It always just looked dull and sad. And I found that using just baking soda works so well on your sink. All I do is I sprinkle it all over the sink. I get my little scrubber a little bit wet and I dampen it all and scrub it in a bit, and then I leave it for like however long I feel, like maybe 15 minutes, maybe a half hour. And then I run the tap and I rinse it all off, scrub it all off, and it works so well. I can't express to you how excited I am that my sink can look this good with just baking soda. The next tip I have for you is for cleaning your microwave. I have a very strong dislike for the smell of microwaves. They have that particular gross food smell, and I'm just not a fan. And they can be kind of tricky to clean because they have hardened food splashes on them, right? So what I do for this is I take a cup and I throw some water in there and I spritz a bit of lemon juice in there as well. The lemon juice helps with the odor that I hate. And I just throw that in the microwave for up to 2 minutes, whatever it takes. And what this does is the water will steam into your microwave and soften all that hardened food on the surfaces so that when you take it out, you can just wipe everything down super easy. My fourth tip is for helping whiten clothes. So like I said, I don't like using bleach and I shouldn't be using bleach anyways. So my alternative to this is using baking soda. There's something about it's bicarbonate, right? Anyways, there's oxygen in it, and the oxygen helps scrub out stains, something like that. I probably should have researched this more, but basically what I do is I take my item of clothing. This example is my washable shower curtain, which is a beautiful white at the top, but kind of a browny pink at the bottom just from soap scum, etc. And I spritz it down with a bit of water and I sprinkle the baking soda on there. I just add the water so the baking soda kind of sticks better, and then I roll it all up, throw it in the washing machine, add my laundry detergent, which I use a natural, fragrance-free, dye-free detergent. And I just wash it as per usual, and the baking soda really helps take out that pink color and leave it a beautiful white. My fifth tip is another pretty standard one, but I thought I'd throw it in there, and that is for cleaning your windows. So most people use Windex, obviously, it is the standard, but what I've always found weird about a lot of cleaning products is that they don't ever actually list their ingredients because they don't have to, because I think you only have to list ingredients if you're making a body product or consumable product, but you don't have to list ingredients for cleaning products, which I think is weird because like you're obviously still interacting with that product. Anyways, so I don't know what the heck is in Windex, but also why is it so blue? That should be like my quote. I've said that in multiple videos. Why are products so blue? Why is laundry detergent so blue? Why is Windex so blue? Why? But anyways, I found that just a simple mixture of water and vinegar works just as well as Windex. Just a couple cups of water to a half cup of vinegar. Spritz that on your window, and I use just a microfiber towel to clean it up to avoid any little floofs getting left behind, and it's streak free and clean. What more could you ask for? So in my home I have a glass stovetop, which is notorious for getting food buildup on it. And what I have found works best so far is I actually use toothpaste, which there's a bit of controversy over using fluoride or non-fluoride toothpaste. I use fluoride toothpaste still because I heard that the fluoride actually helps keep your enamel, so I think that's important. Anyway, so I use just the Sensodyne fluoride toothpaste, and I just kind of spread it around the ring of the element, and then I sprinkle some baking soda in for good measure, add a bit of water to mix it together, and I kind of just rub it in, and I leave this for like a half hour, and then I give it a good scrub and wipe it all down, and it looks beautiful. And then the last tip I have for you guys, warning, I'm going to be showing you a dirty toilet, so if that makes you uncomfortable, I'm so sorry, but like I need to show how effective this is. Everyone has dirty toilets, so like, let's not judge me. Anyway, so I use my multi-purpose cleaner to clean my toilet, which works great, but it doesn't get rid of that ring that you get at the water line. And what is the most amazing product ever is a pumice stone. You can get these off Amazon with a little handle on it, and it's just this natural like volcanic rock that's like softer, so it's all natural, and you just get it wet and scrub at that water line, and it literally is like a magic eraser. It just gets rid of all the stains. It's so amazing, and your toilet looks brand new afterwards. I'm honestly so excited to clean my toilet now. Okay, so those are all the cleaning tips that I have for you guys. I hope you really found some use out of them because they are revolutionary for me. If you like this video, you might like my video where I talk about sustainable life changes I made for my health and your health, and I just go more into natural living practices. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!